everybody? 650 EP here, coming to you from cold and snowy, filthy Cleveland. And today we've got our new bike build series 2024 S1000RR right behind me with those beautiful forged red Core Moto Motomillion wheels. And inside the sills, I've got my gorgeous 2024 BMW M1000 XR. Manny from Motomillion sent us a really awesome part that Zak the Master Mechanic is going to install on the bike. You can possibly win this motorcycle by clicking on the first link in the description of any of my videos. This bike's awesome, looks great, performs great, and guess what? It sounds great too. Oh yeah. That is the Aero full titanium exhaust. You can see it's already changing colors, guys. And it's going to continue to change colors as we ride it more. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful sound. Zach, I got a bag.
Whoa, this is a really big bag.
Yes, but it's super light, right?
I got a bike on the bench. It's not the build bike, but it's a bike.
Yep.
What could this be? I'm gonna guess probably a belly pan.
I would think so.
Or is it the whole top shelter?
Well, I'll tell you what, it's packaged real nice.
Yep, and we got our nice and famous Ilmberger bag. Always like those. Means something's gonna fit on the motorcycle and look good. Oh yeah, definitely belly pan.
Nice.
Cool. Ilmberger part, street belly pan, so you can probably run it with the stock exhaust.
Yep.
Let's see how well it fits. I haven't put one of these on an MXR before. It should really change the way the bike looks, because if you look right now, it's pretty short. Like your belly pan ends right here. So we have this whole extension that's gonna cover the exhaust up a little bit and just look nice with the carbon.
Yeah, man.
Let's get it installed.
What's in it? What's this inside? It's just
It's like heat resistant tape.
Okay.
Because it's close to the exhaust, so hopefully the carbon and clear coat doesn't wind up bubbling up.
Oh man, look at those colors. Wow.
No torching necessary.
No torching, that's right. Wow. Wouldn't it be cool though, Zach, if we could just ride the bike around and just like this and show all this coolness?
I mean, you could.
Yeah.
There's nothing that says it has to have a belly pan and fairing.
Yeah.
Cool.
That
Installed,
looks good,
nothing to it.
I know, right?
This really is different though. Like we've never had a belly pan. It's probably because there's enough room behind the front wheel.
Yeah.
To have this like shape where it's jetted forward.
It's beautiful.
I like it.
Yeah, me too. It's really gorgeous.
Yeah, the shape of it's cool.
Yeah.
It's a little odd because there's not, this piece needs to be carbon right by it, I think. But
yeah,
maybe it'll look all right once it's down on the ground.
Yeah, let's take it outside, put it against the snow.
Yeah, we got some snow to check it out again. Reflections off this wonderful snow we have. This is why we can't make any riding videos.
Yeah.
Can't do any test rides. Got a shop full of motorcycles. And I see you found the bike build bike.
Yes, it's here.
The wheels are still red.
Yeah, the wheels are red. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Those rear sets you installed, the Gillies Tooling BMW Motor Rod rear sets are nice, Zach.
Heck yeah.
Really nice. They look great.
Did you ride it in Miami at all? Or?
I rode it here, yeah.
Oh.
I actually rode it here.
Okay.
When it was nice out a couple weeks ago.
Oh yeah, before Christmas when we had warm weather there.
Yeah.
Or right after. No, the belly pan looks great on the M bike though.
Really does. Really does. And from here, guys, we're going to pack this up into my trailer, which is right over there. Huge, giant trailer over there. And we're taking it to GP Performance and Tuning, Zach, so we can put this bike, my MXR, against our good buddy Todd's bike, his M1000 XR. And Todd's bike, guys, still has the stock exhaust with the catalytic converter on it. But
and it does have a Brentuning on it.
Yes, it does. We both have Brentuning.
Yeah, but you have the stage 2 parts in your airbox also.
Yep. And
the full exhaust. So that'd be interesting to see.
Do I have velocity stacks?
Yeah, velocity stacks, and took the intake flappers out, made the opening a little bit bigger and smoother, and we'll see if it makes a difference or not. Hopefully it does. Well, I know it makes a difference. We'll just see how much.
One more pull. I love it. Here we go. Deal. 195.4. He's going to put the best two runs from both machines up on the screen. Again, both machines have the exact same air pressure in the rear tire, 40 pounds, just for this dyno comparison. The only difference between the two bikes, they're both Brentuned, but mine has the full Akrapovic exhaust system. Yeah, DNA air filter and Brentuning velocity stacks. So he'll put both those best numbers up there for us, and we're going to compare that for you right now. But the full belly pan from Motomillion was an excellent addition to this bike, as you can see. Makes it look really nice. Oh man, that carbon fiber. Motomillion. Link to that is in the description of this video. Great addition to the bike. But everything, all of these parts are from Motomillion, guys. I mean, all of the parts from all of my bikes are from Motomillion. Gary has the information on the screen. We're going to check it out. GP performance and tuning. Look at that.
10 horsepower difference.
Yeah. That's
so
a
like, I wonder now, they say that the difference between cat and no cat.
Yes.
Well, here it is.
Right. And look at the numbers in the red, and look at the numbers in the blue. Look at just how everything is nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, that dip right there on the bike without the exhaust isn't as graphic as it is with mine with the exhaust.
This is probably when the velocity stacks start to open on these. So since you have aftermarket ones, that's probably what's helping right there. Is to smooth that out.
Yeah.
And then probably around here, it's probably when the exhaust pressure between the cat and non-cat starts to play a role. That's what I would think, at least.
Sure.
You know, so the bike, your bike flows a lot smoother, so it could apply power better. Where, you know, his has a cat, you know, and stock velocity stack still.
Yeah, and a stock air filter.
And stock air filter, yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So yeah,
your bike is definitely flowing a lot better. I mean, right here at, let's just pick 8,000 RPM just to have a reference. He's at 110. You're at 133.
Yes.
So you're making 23 horses more than him right there, right then and there.
Worth the money, guys.
Yeah,
definitely worth the money.
Spend the money, get the exhaust system.
Yeah, look at that.
Right here at 12,173 to 189.
Yeah, 16 horsepower.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
So, yeah, definitely worth every single penny to go ahead and get the velocity stacks.
I totally agree,
get
Gary.
The exhaust system.
Yeah.
And these DNA, right?
DNA air filter, yeah. Yeah, it's fantastic. All right, guys, thank you, Gary, and GP Performance and Tuning. This is where we do all of our dyno work here on the 650 Eve YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Gary's got big things coming for 2025. Yes.
Yeah, we look forward to this year. We're going to do a whole big reset to the shop.
Yep.
And things are just going to be looking so much better for 2025. And just looking forward to it all. So,
yeah,
we'll see what happens.
Thank you, Gary, man.
Steve, as always.
And thank you guys for viewing this video. Links to all of the products, the full belly pan and everything else in the description. Thanks for viewing, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.